Has someone ever told you before that you look like your dog? Because someone told me that today when I got back from walking Leroy, and I didn't know if I should be offended or what. Like, is it the hair color today? Like, please someone let me know, because I was just like, oh, thanks. Like, what do you say in those situations? But I just took him OUT, and then I ran to my mail room to pick up my Scentbird package for this month. This is going to be so exciting because they're doing something new on the website. They are not only selling Scentbird products, but they're also selling brands that I love, like Glam Glow, Glow Recipe, Tarte, and so much more. So I'm gonna be giving you guys a little haul today, and I'm also going to share the fragrance of the month that I went with. They always have super cute packaging. I have been rocking with Scentbird for years. I've collected these little tubes over that time, and I absolutely love the way that they work. They're such a nice size as well for 30 days worth of a fragrance. For me, these actually last quite a long time. This is what the perfume actually looks like, and it tells you what it is. So this month I got the Philosophy Amazing Grace Magnolia fragrance, which has notes of fresh floral scents. It has musk and of course magnolia, so it's a very floral summer fragrance. Ooh, this one reminds me of like a spa or something. Like after you get out of the shower, you just want to kind of put this on and you just feel very fresh and clean. It's super light. I love these so much because I don't like to commit to things. Like if I want to try something new, I'm all about that, but I don't want to buy a full-size perfume bottle in order to do that. So that's one of the reasons why I love Scentbird so much. They have over 600 fragrances to choose from on the website, and they have brands like Tom Ford, Gucci, Prada, literally everything. I'm sure you're gonna find something that interests you, and they always have a description, a really good description of what each fragrance is like. Matcha Bear Gummies, okay? These are powered for all day energy. It helps to focus, it's antioxidant rich, enhances calmness, and boosts your endurance. Herbal Dynamics Beauty Acai and Mango Lip Scrub. It's made with coconut butter, vitamin E, and macadamia oil, as well as pistachio oil. This is the Peach and Lily Glass Skin Refining Serum, and it's made with peach extract. I could always use a facial serum. I love facial serums and facial oils. I used to think that they would break me out because who wants to put an oil on your face, but it actually made my skin so much smoother and plump. It has a nice little pump to it. Just wanna like try it on my hand and see. And I'm the biggest fan of Korean skincare. I actually have a ton of it in my bathroom right now. And then the last thing I got from Scentbird is the Grande Lips Hydra Plump Liquid Lipstick, and this is in the shade Strawberry Rhubarb. Do you like this color? This is more red than what I was expecting, but has a nice minty taste to it. Little lip plumping action, can't be mad at that. So all of this stuff you guys can add to your subscription over on Scentbird, so definitely check that out. I'm gonna leave a link down below so you dolls can get 30% off of your order with my coupon code and the link in the down bar, so definitely go ahead and check that out. Don't mind my greasy face. I think what I'm gonna do is organize my closet right now. What else is new with my life? I also need to clean my apartment right now because it's the start of the week, so that means that I need to get laundry taken care of, both like clothing wise and linen wise, like towels and stuff. I need to clean the kitchen, I need to clean the bathroom, I need to get my life together. So why not share with you guys in today's vlog like a studio apartment clean with me. I've already made my bed up this morning, like what a miracle it is, but I need to dust in here. Like this will be like my daily routine when it comes to cleaning up really fast. Like nothing crazy like my weekly routine, which you guys have seen. So I'll show you what I do like on a daily basis so it doesn't get crazy. It's really easy for a studio to look messy if one thing is out of place, right? So that's why I take time every single day to clean up after myself and just clean things in general. So I think that's what we're gonna do right now because mess doesn't make me happy. But also this is the mood.
They'll do. Come out, we're born under the sun, so why am I so afraid of it? Made peace with all I've done, but that just wasn't enough. Ooh. Change direction once or twice, yes I am ashamed of it. I try to keep my soul intact, what else could I have done? I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey, oh, cooling on my own. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone, home alone. Your kiss, it tasted like gold. Now that I'm older, wish somebody told you I don't wanna be friends no more. I don't wanna do the damn thing. Why we always gotta fight so much? Why we always stay angry? I don't wanna hide. No more second tries when you don't even try. I don't wanna do this damn thing. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone. Hey, oh, cooling on my own. Oh, I wanna go home alone. I wanna go home alone, home alone. Gun, so why am I still craving it? Lost more than I have won. I think I'm out of luck. Ooh, my destiny is on the run, and I don't care for chasing it. I see how far I've come. I guess that wasn't enough. I wanna say, hey, oh, woman and I'm cold. Oh, I wanna go home.